welcome to another video. I'm going to the Barbie movie premiere. I am so excited and I need a dress to wear. So I've got some hot pink satin fabric from, you guessed it, Joanne, and we're gonna make a dress. The plan is for like party Barbie, you know? So I have 4 yards of this and we're just gonna see what I come up with. I think this color is so pretty. It's actually very similar to this dress, which I honestly could probably wear, but where's the fun in that? I want to make a new dress. I don't really know what the plan is, but it's just for fun, so we'll see. Look at the trims I got. Okay, so obviously matching thread, matching invisible zipper. That's not the fun part. The fun part, look at this trim. It's actually like kind of sticking together. It's fine. Just kind of got to peel it apart here. So this has like this blue color in the middle of the 2 silver rows. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I'm thinking this could be a little strap, maybe a belt. I don't know. I like cut my fabric first and then saw this afterwards and went back to the cutting counter and I was like, I don't know if I should do this, if I shouldn't. And then Sharon at the cutting counter really convinced me to just go for it with the straps. So also, if you're new here, my name is MollyKate. Thank you for being here. I'm a 24-year-old fashion designer who makes dresses, and that's about all you need to know. So let's just get on into it. I have the base of the dress done, and now I'm just playing with the little trim here. I have it like wrapped around my neck. I'm like, okay, what if it's like a choker and then I take it like up along the top and then it's also the strap. Like, is that too much? And then I kind of want to do sleeves now too and have like a square neckline. See, if I do that, it kind of like creates an illusion like there's a mesh right here, but it's just my skin. I feel like this would be really pretty with like a puff sleeve. So it's like square neck, puff sleeve, and then the choker will be like separate. I don't know, but this is the rest of the dress. So the skirt is like definitely long. It's like knee length and I want it like shorter. So I will cut that before I hem it. And I need to put the lining in with the side seam zippers. And I think there's something like very Barbie about a choker necklace. I don't know. To be continued. I love how it turned out. So this is my hair and makeup, my little choker. I got the matching jewels here. Okay, let's go see Barbie. I'm Taylor Swift, so I'm in my place.
She might have started out as just a lady in a bathing suit, but she became so much more. She has her own money, her own house, her own car, her own career. Because Barbie can be anything, women can be anything.
Watching the Barbie movie, and it was so good. People said that it was sad and like made them cry, but I don't know, I didn't cry at all. I didn't think it was like sad. If anything, I thought it was just like heartwarming and like really sweet and definitely like makes you like think, you know, but it wasn't like sad, like I wasn't like crying. But oh my gosh, the movie was so good, and we were able to like order food to our seat, so I literally